students, I welcome you to the March session of Tribune News. Now, this particular session is a bit different because in this particular session, we'll be discussing two things, not only the tribes, but also we'll be discussing Andaman and Nicobar's location, right? So, we'll be discussing the tribes of Andaman and Nicobar only. So, it is more of a location plus Tribune News and also not a current affair oriented session. But however, you need to know all this. Only one tribe was in news actually, but we have covered all the tribes. So let us start with the map itself. So let's see the map. So starting with the Andaman and Nicobar, what you need to remember that within the Andaman, it is made up of, it's an archipelago, right? Many islands have been there. So few of the channels you need to know, right? Locations of the island, first of all, location of the different island, the channel. Next, important locations within the Andaman and Nicobar, because questions have been asked on that, right? And these are few things you need to keep in mind. So let us start. So starting with the Coco Channel. So Coco Channel is what separates Andaman and Nicobar of India from the Myanmar. So above Coco Channel is the, we will see in the next slide. Above Coco Channel, this is the Coco Channel, and above Coco Channel, this is Myanmar. Okay, and this is Andaman and Nicobar. This is Coco Channel. Coco Channel means passage of water. Then next, these are three Andamans: North Andaman, Middle Andaman, and Middle Andaman. And finally, this is a Little Andaman. Okay, this is South Andaman. And then the Little Andaman is there. Between the South Andaman and the Little Andaman, there is a Duncan Passage. This is Duncan Passage. Right? Then there is a 10-degree passage between the Little Andaman and the Little Nicobar. Then the St. George Channel, and finally the Great Nicobar, and then the Great Channel. Within the Great Nicobar is the Indra Point, which is the lowest point in India. This is not in mainland India, but it is, if you consider everything in India, mainland India and Andaman Nicobar, this is the lowest point of India, the Indra Point. Okay, so please see the map here. Now let us see this one first. Now here, just to revise, North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman. Then within the South Andaman, you can see Port Blair. So Port Blair is located, the capital of the Andaman and Nicobar. Port Blair is in the South Andaman. First thing you need to remember that, right? Then there is a Little Andaman, then Car Nicobar, then Little Nicobar. Between 10-degree channel, Car Nicobar, Little Nicobar, and Great Nicobar. So 4 Andamans and 3 Nicobars, like that. Very mechanically, we have to remember it. Okay, and 10-degree channel, if you talk about 10-degree channel, separates Andaman from Nicobar. If you talk about Andaman as an entity, so 10-degree channel separates Andaman from the Nicobar. Some more locations if we see in Andaman, first is Saddle Peak. So Saddle Peak, nearby Saddle Peak National Park is there. It is in the North Andaman. Okay, then Mount Harriet. Mount Harriet is in the South Andaman. Then there are 3 islands which are renamed last year. So they can be asked, because not in current affair, but last year they were in current affair. So you need to remember these 3 islands. They can ask you, if that will be a tough question, to arrange it from north to south. 3 islands are starting with the Havelock Island. This is Havelock. So Havelock Island renamed as Swaraj Deep. Then Neil Island, just below it, you see, just below the Havelock Island, Neil Island. Right? So Havelock, Neil, and then this one, Ross Island. Right? Havelock is renamed as Swaraj Deep, Neil is renamed as Shahid Deep, and this is Subhash, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, the Ross. So obviously these were the earlier British name, though they have been renamed to the Indian names. So please remember this thing, right? 3 islands like this. Now within these islands, we have to identify the different tribes. Now the Great Andamanese tribes lives all over the Andaman Islands. The Great Nicobarese tribe, when we'll see Great Andamanese tribe, not Nicobarese, Great Andaman tribe, they are comprised of the many of the very small tribes. Their number has decreased to very less. We'll see why also, and how the British conquest of India, British occupation of India, has one of the devastating effect on the tribes. We will see on the Great Andamanese tribe in particular. Then we talk about Jarawa tribe. Then they are concentrated in the south and the Middle Andaman and the South Andaman. Okay. Then if we talk about Ong tribe, the Ong tribe is there in this Andaman. Okay. Then Sentinelese tribe is specifically located in this particular small island. This name is North Sentinelese Island. Okay. Now if you see just the location, this is the North Sentinel Island. This is where Sentinelese tribe is there. That was in the current affairs, right? And the other tribes also. Now let us start the tribes. First is Sentinelese tribe. So Sentinelese tribe was in the news because a foreigner went there and he was killed. Out of the curiosity, he went there and he was killed by the Sentinelese. Now Sentinels tribe. So pronunciation is a bit issue. However, now these tribes, this is not the first case. In fact, many of the cases, for example, a study by an institute points out that there have been many cases of killing, and going of the foreigner there is prohibited and it is regulated by the institutes. And filing a case on these tribes is not fine because you are intruding into their land, something like that, right? So Sentinelese are the Neolithic, that means very old Negroid tribe. So their stock is from the Negroid tribe. You can see they are mostly black in color. All the tribes except one. They live in the North Sentinel Island of Andamans, completely isolated, obviously. Census 21 says their population is only around 3940s. They are included in the PVGTs. So all the 5 tribes we're going to study today, they are included in the particularly vulnerable tribal group. There are many legal protections as well, however, not important for us. Now, few of the things, for example, this was I want to highlight. Andaman and Nicobar, the 5 tribes are there, and all the 5 tribes are PVTGs: Great Andamanis, Jarawas, Ongs, Sentinelese, and Shompenes. Okay, so this is the list that I have given in the June month, I think, tribes in news. Next tribe is Ong tribe. So they are located in the Little Andaman Island. So this is Little Andaman Island, right? Below the Duncan Passage. Okay, so this is Ong tribe. Now, what the problem they face? Obviously, their number is less, and also the problem of fertility they also face because the fertility of the Ong tribe is very less. 40% of the married couples are sterile. Okay, that means they cannot reproduce. Okay, they speak is Ong language, one of the 2 Ong language. Like very less language is there. Obviously, with their number declining, the language also is declining. As with the normal tribes, the major cause of the decline of the Ong population is the change in their food habits brought by their contacts with the outside world. Okay, then next is Jarawa tribe. Jarawa tribe is important because they were in news for a decade or so. Because one road has to be passed. We will see NH4, we will read today. That road has to be passed, and it passed through this is called Jarawa Tribal Reserve. So they are in the Middle Andaman and the Little Andaman, South Andaman first of all. Okay. Then this road that was passing through, this road passes through this. So there were appeals and counter appeals. Finally, in 2013, Supreme Court allowed that road to be built. However, the restrictions are there in the Jarawa area. Now, many stories have come when I was reading about it. Many stories have come that outsiders come, they force Jarawa girls to do something, they have sex, they sexually exploit them. So it creates a lot of harassment of these people. They despise the outsiders in their community. Okay. Now, as there is an Jarawa safari, so they are the Jarawa reserve where they are seen as animals. Tourists treat Jarawas like animals in the safari park. Just like we have animal safari, similar safari like that. So it goes to show how we degrade these people, right? So do's and don'ts are there. For example, photography is not allowed, right? So within the Jarawa reserve, without permit, you are not allowed. You cannot stop vehicle, photography, videography are not allowed. Do not give any items to the Jarawas like this. Okay. Then we discuss Great Andamanese tribe. Now, as I told you, Great Andamanese tribes are segregated over many tribes. Now, when the British settlers have arrived there, around 5,000 was their population. And when they have left, or for whatever is their consequence, now only 53 people are surviving. One of the problems, one of the devastating effect of the British in terms of on the tribes. So the British established the Andaman homes where they kept the Great Andamanese tribe. So they brought about disease, and these Andamanis live in the very virgin areas. That means virgin life. That means they are they're not having an outsider effect of any medication and all. Thus their immunity is very low. So whenever a disease or smallpox, measles, for example, wiped out many of the population. So when these things strikes them, the whole population dies because obviously they do not have any hospitalization care and all these things. Okay, so very less Andamani tribes are remaining. They are spread over the whole Andaman Islands. Then Shompen tribe. Now Shompen tribes are the only primitive tribe in this area who are of Mongolite stock. You can see from their faces. They are not black in color. They are not from the Negroid stock. They are not black. Okay. So they scattered over the Great Nicobar Island. So they are the southernmost island. Okay. Semi-nomadic hunting and fishing the tribe. The men usually carry bow and arrow, spear through their belt, hatches, knife, fire drill. These are the very common things um, that is valid across the tribes. Okay, right. So let us see in the map finally. So I've talked about these three islands that have been replaced. So please remember them. Make a code or something, H and R, something like that, right? So Swaraj, Shahid, and Subhash Chandra Bose Island. Then North Island, Middle Island. There the Saddle Peak was there, right? Mandela Andaman and South Andaman. Where are the different tribes are there? This is Jarawa tribe. This is Ong tribe. This whole is Great Andamanese tribe. This is Shompen tribe. Okay. So please remember that this is Sentinelese tribe, this particular island. So these are where is the Port Blair located? Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. Within which island it is located? They can ask you specific question: North Island, North Andaman, Middle Andaman, South Andaman, like that also. 10 degree channel, they have already asked question. They can ask question on the Duncan Passage also. So there are the few of the mapping things that you need to keep in mind. So this was the NH4 that was discussing. It is called Great Andaman Trunk Road. So it passes through the buffer zones of Jarawa Reserve. Okay, from this Port Blair to the northern part of the um, islands, they have connected these things. Okay, right. This much information is mostly enough for us. Let us solve a few questions that have been asked in the previous year with respect to the content that we have discussed. So Saddle Peak, the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar, is located in which island? North Andaman. Okay, so option D is right. Then tribal population Andaman Nicobar belongs to which stock? So which stock? We have discussed Negroid race, except one, but however majority of the tribal population belong to this. So this will be the most appropriate answer. Then which of the following territories do the people of Ong tribe lives? Very easy question. Then they belong to the Andaman and Nicobar. They can ask you specifically within which island they live. And remember, the questions have been long back. So you can expect these questions in the coming time also. Which of the following pair of islands separated by the 10-degree channel? So Andaman and Nicobar, very easy. Okay, if they ask Nicobar and Sumatra, then it will be Great Channel. Now if you remember, they have asked you question I have discussed in the maps also. So they have asked this question in 2014. Now in the 20, I think 18 or 17, they have repeated the question, which is the closest to Andaman and Nicobar. Which is closest to Andaman and Nicobar? So Sri Lanka, Sumatra, Java, these options they have given. Now very logically, if you keep in mind each and every option of the previous year question, it will definitely give clues to what is coming in the next years, or at least where the UPSC examiner focuses, right? So if the option is there, Nicobar and Sumatra, however, the option of this question is this. What about the second options? What about the channel that separates Maldives and Lakshadweep? What is about this Java and Sumatra? So these things you also should keep in mind while preparation. Do not focus only on the question and the particular answer, but also focus on the remaining options as well. Why this option is wrong and all these things. So let us quickly revise. Very small session we have, but specific to Andaman and Nicobar, its location of different locations and the particular tribes. So we have discussed the particular location, some handwritten maps, and then finally the important maps. Saddle Peak, then Sentinelese tribe, where the case of the um, killing of an American by these particular Sentinelese people. Then Ong tribe, the problem of fertility that they are facing. All these are Negroid tribes except the Shompen tribes that we have read. Then Jarawa tribes and Great Andamanese tribe. Okay, so with this we finish our tribes in news. So for the March month we have finished our locations, our places in news, and finally we have also finished our indexes and reports. So 10-month content you already have. Please revise from it and keep us posted as well. You are facing any problem, you can post us in the comments as well. We'll get back to you. Right? With this, we finish our session. Bye bye for now. See you in the next class. Thank you.